Welcome back to the channel. Now, if the JLP did want a situation to take the focus off of Everald Warmington statements recently saying that he would withhold funding for a PNP councillor, something he said he denied having the capability to even do, saying that in the known a minister who could actually do that. Something with the people must say the same thing that he was recorded talking about. People say that going from in a 80s election. Some people say even long before that. Now, Errol Bascoe, he has resigned as caretaker for West St. Mary as he denies accusations of misconduct. Now, the principal of Taki High School is facing allegations of misconduct by a 23-year-old man. Mr. Bascoe submitted his resignation to the PNP party president, saying that he believes the accusations will bring a negative light to the PNP as a party, and as such, he was quoted as saying he's innocent and that the accusations are false, and that he is confident that the truth will prevail in due course. Now, the accusations or the allegations stem from a police report against Mr. Bascoe, filed by a man, an unemployed 23-year-old man in Gale, St. Mary. The man reported that to the police that he went and sought out Mr. Bascoe for help in dealing with legal troubles. According to the police report, one day this year, while at Mr. Bascoe's house, the high school principal had his way with the 23-year-old man. According to the police report, the man said given the circumstances in which he found himself in Mr. Bascoe's home, he felt manipulated. After the incident, he said that the man was taken to the hospital where he was treated for lower abdominal pain. Now, I don't know if this is a situation where the man believing that Mr. Bascoe, being the caretaker, I don't know if he was involved in politics at the time, or if it was just the principal for the Taki High School at the time. But the man got link him for some help with some legal troubles, and this take place. Now, I want to know if this is enough to take away from what Everald Warmington said. Now, Warmington's statements made it seem as if him being the MP for the area, he would use his power to stop funding the people with that cite that as some form of political corruption. Even though in Parliament he pointed out that, and that's something he could have really do. Him just did say it at the moment. I don't know. Maybe it was a political tactic for us, strengthen the people or make the people know him still in control, which is something he mentioned. Saying they go remind them, say, he's still the one in control. So maybe there's a statement for that. This man, we don't know if this man go link Mr. Bascoe, because he knows that Mr. Bascoe have political connections and probably could help him out. How help him out? How I don't know. Mr. Bascoe denied the situation. When if I denied, said the man did come for no legal, for no help for no legal troubles overall. I might deny, say he had his way with the individual, which the individual say happen, and him feel like he was manipulated because I him go there and him a look help. I don't know. Something about the local government elections on the Jamaican island. Days after it happened, we still say fallout. Meaning say the statements made by Everald Warmington still a follow up the JLP. One more individual from the PNP has again resigned. This will be what? 3 individuals where since local government election names have been in the headline. 1 for or 2 for actually the same scenario or same type of situation. One individual, a long time video him start surface with him a whole up money and say another day, another dollar. And next man make some statements about scamming and putting money to this and to that, which people them call him out upon immediately. Now this individual, Mr. Bascoe, even though he denies the allegations being brought against him and saying that he knows that his name will be cleared. And him say one of the reasons that him choose resign so him can focus on clear him name. That and the fact say him no want this not we are painting the party in a negative light. So him say him go focus on clearing his name. Now that's why some people say if you do a two different party, it's almost like the same style song. One party in a headlines for scandal, the other party in a headlines for scandal. Almost like in either party you look upon, they might face controversy. Some people say remove the wholeness that administration make. The people them look into it and cross-reference it with where Mr. Warmington said. People have always long said that it's almost like in a representational politics on the Jamaican island, when one party come into power, whatever them do, when the other party comes into power, them always do things completely different. And then with Warmington saying that he would remind them who is in charge. You know, things like this make people cross-reference the statements and the actions of the state. Now the Prime Minister say, yo, him drive on a whole heap of the road them and realize the road them want to fix. People say, yo, then the Prime Minister never drive on the road them before. And not just now the road them want to fix. For years now, the people must say, the way the roads are maintained or even constructed is not the way roads are built in other parts of the world. And some people say, well, roads in other parts of the world are built because of the environment. Places where go through winter and, you know what I mean, then go through summer and, you know, different seasonal changes. The people who construct these roads and the engineers had that in mind. The people must say, yo, are the engineers that are being employed by the state when they might deal with road works, are they taking into consideration the environment, the place where they might build these roads? Because we don't think so. Because the way the road they make is almost like they make for pothole. And then the way them patch the road them, it make the surface too uneven. No matter how you see them with the roller, them a roll the spot. Surface uneven, way higher. And they find the road with different patches here and there, here and there, here and there. All across the world, I see them come up with new innovative ways to use even recycled material for helping a road construction. So, I don't know. The state might need to look into that thing. But Warmington statements, the first thing people are saying is, if road are going to build in some community, or if road are going to fix in some community, and road not going to fix in some. If it going to be a scenario like that. Of course, we know the state already probably are looking to that. I say, yo, the people, I will start pre that first and foremost. So, we know them are going to make sure, say, it don't look nothing like that a go on. You know what I mean? And if that a go on, it going to be exposed. Because while they might have ministers from the party will win in charge of these ministries, the people that work within these ministries are supporters of both political parties. And I like to just because you have a minister of road works or works, everybody in the ministry supports the party or the administration. No. So if that take place, we're going to hear about it. Don't it ever go on. But overall, maybe new ways of how to construct roads need to be implemented. They need to probably look upon how them can build better roads. But if you're new to the channel, just pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share and tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion, the comment section 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Remember the comment section 24/7, never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. We can continue the reason via the comment section. And to the reason again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours. If you want to live, love, and prosper. And of course, if you want to stay tuned until the reason again. Tell me what you think about this and what take place between both parties. Let me say comment section 24/7. Live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.